Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zoom to the KuCoin app for effective screen sharing. First, understand that this isn't a direct software integration, but rather a method to display your KuCoin app activity within a Zoom call. This approach is ideal for tutorials, support, or showing specific features to others. We will cover the necessary steps to ensure a smooth and clear presentation of your mobile screen. Let's get started with preparing your devices. To begin, launch the Zoom application on your computer and either start a new meeting or join an ongoing session. It's crucial to ensure your microphone and camera are working properly before proceeding. Next, grab your mobile device where the KuCoin app is installed. Make sure the device is fully charged and unlocked, ready to display the app. This preparation ensures a seamless transition when you initiate the screen sharing process in the next step. Double-check everything. Now, within your Zoom meeting interface, locate and click the Share Screen button. You'll then see several sharing options. For mobile devices, select either iPhone/iPad via AirPlay if you're on iOS, or phone/tablet via cable for Android or a wired connection. Zoom will provide specific on-screen instructions to guide you through mirroring your device. Once connected, your mobile screen, including the KuCoin app, will be visible to all participants. It's quite straightforward. For the best experience, consider optimizing your mobile device's display settings, perhaps increasing brightness or text size to ensure maximum clarity for your audience. Also, close any background applications on your phone to minimize interruptions and maintain smooth performance during your presentation. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other fantastic deals we've curated for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.